Hello everybody, in this video tutorial we would like to demonstrate how you can turn off or, well, disable the touchscreen on your Microsoft Surface device. So first of all I would like to mention that the method that I'm going to show you in this video involves the register editing, and what is also important, will permanently disable the touchscreen or touch UI unless you'll, turn it on again manually. So first of all you gotta open the run utility, then type in the rec edit query over here, tap on OK, yes, then you gotta go for the HKey current user folder over here and expand it like so. Tap on this little arrow, let me close it and expand it again, or open it should I say. Yeah, it's pretty tedious thing to do and everything is so small. Then go for the software, then Microsoft, then Wisp, and then touch. At the right side, as you can see over here, you gotta look for the touch gate key. In my case it is absent, as you can see, but it's not a big deal at all. All that you need to do is to create a new key and name it touch gate. Go for the dword 32-bit value, name it touch gate. For some reason the keyboard does not pop. Let me modify, rename. Ready? So name it the following way, as I'll show you right now. Touch gate, and then just change its value to be from 0 to 1. I will not save the changes since I do not have any external mouse or keyboard on me, unfortunately. So if I'll turn off the touch display, I will not be able to proceed with my device other than hard resetting it. So yeah, just set the value to be 1, tap on OK, and you're good to go. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.